Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you top 10 best must-have Android apps. All the apps in the video are very useful and it will help you in one or the other way. So first app on the list is Swiping. So this is a very useful application. Using this application you can control the brightness of your screen from wherever you are. Just swipe from the right part of your screen. You can just adjust it anywhere to be and just change the brightness of your screen by swiping up and down. You can even launch various widgets by swiping there. So from here you can just select what you want to do after swiping any part of the screen. So you can change brightness, ringer volume, media volume, call volume, open Wi-Fi toggle, various. You can also enable or disable various things, launch any application or even launch any widget. So the most useful things here are brightness and the media volume. So by swiping from any part of the screen you can just change whatever you want. So to set up anything here is very easy. Just select from here what you want to change, and from the configure menu here you can just select the position. From here you want to swipe in or out. So from now whenever you swipe from this part of the screen the media volume gets changed. You can just swipe in from this part of the screen to change the media volume. Next app on the list is Relaunch Launcher. So it's one of the best multitasking application for Android. So basically it's a side launcher which you can launch by swiping any corner part of the screen. You can just choose which corner part you want it to be and then it will launch a side launcher. So here you will have various categories listed like talk, play, relax, setup. So this application automatically categorizes all the apps on basis of different groups, and whenever you download any app it will get categorized automatically. However, this app also provides the feature to categorize application manually. So here you will have access to all the apps. So with a single swipe you can just open any application you want from anywhere you are. No matter which application you are on, this side launcher will work perfectly. So now you don't require to press the home button. Go to the app drawer, select the app and open it. You can just open it by a single swipe. And in this application multi-touch also works, so you can swipe in with your one finger and open any application with another finger. And you can also customize this application, change the color of this part. So from here you can choose whichever color you want it to be. So that's all about this application. So the next app on the list is AirCall Accept. You can answer a phone call without even touching it using this application. It's similar to the Galaxy S4 Smart feature. So let me just show you guys. So there you can just pick up any call by just waving your hand in front of the phone. So this app uses the proximity sensor. You can just wave your hand over the phone to accept a call and the phone will be on speaker mode, and you can just pick your phone and put it close to your ears so that the proximity sensor gets blocked and you will accept the call. So now the phone has been accepted in normal mode. So this application can be very useful. You'll have the Galaxy S4 feature on your phones. This application works on all of the Android phones with a proximity sensor. The reason I used my Galaxy S3 is because my HTC One is carrier locked. So next app on the list is Callheads. So when you are watching a video or playing any game, and if anyone calls you, the task you are doing is gets interrupted. So this might be annoying sometimes. So with this application, what you can do is if anyone calls you, you can just choose to pick up, reject, or silence the call without even closing the application. Let me just show you. So suppose if you are playing this game and if someone calls you, then a call head will be displayed and you can either accept the call, reject the call, or silence the call, and you can just carry on what you were doing. So that's a very cool feature this app provides, and I personally feel it's a very useful application. And if your phone is turned off and if you receive any call, then the normal calling application will open and you can use the air call accept application. So that's all about this application. So the next app is the Twisty Launcher. So the feature provided by this application is very similar to the Moto X. So what you can do is just double tap your phone twice and the camera will open. So this feature works on top of any application. So this feature is very similar to the Moto X, but in this app you'll have extra options available. Like you can just choose the option to tap twice, double flip, and you can also double flip or twist twice. So you can launch 3 different applications by performing the particular gesture. So that's all about this application. With this app you can have the Moto X feature on your phone. So next app on the list is Overlays. So with this app you can have shortcut, widget, missed call count, or unread messages, a clock, weather info displayed on your screen on top of a specific application, or you can just choose it to be on top of the screen wherever you go. So from here you can add widgets, a shortcut, application shortcut, a missed call count, a battery information. So you can set it to whatever you want it to be and just activate that particular profile. And now on the screen you will have the things that you have set, and you can also reposition the items and even delete the items. So here I have the battery information and the music widget on the screen, and it will be on the screen no matter which application I open. And arranging it is very easy. You can change the size. So this feature can be very useful. So with this app you can just this feature can be very useful. You can float a calculator on top of any word application to make it easy for you. You can open a note while you are reading any ebooks. So this application is also very useful. This application is also very useful. You can create various profiles and have various things enabled in those. So you can just change between profiles very easily. And from the application part here, you can just choose what you want to open while you are on that particular application. Next app on the list is One Browser. This browser, it's one of the most recent browsers. This browser has got various features that you can't find in most of the browsers. So here you will have the hot sites displayed. You can add any site you want here in the hot site page, or delete any of the sites listed here. And in this application you can download entire web page, so you can view that particular page offline. So that's a cool feature this application provides. That page will be saved on SD card. And then you have the night mode enabled, so brightness of the phone will be lowered and the theme is also very easy to watch. And then you have the full screen mode here, and you can also use the volume buttons to scroll down between pages. And in this browser you can just choose between desktop view, iPad view, Android view, and then you have no image mode here. So it is very useful. This feature is very useful if you want to limit data usage. And you can also change the theme of the application. You can just change the back theme here very easily. So that's all about this browser. So next app on the list is YouPelículas. So this app verifies the movie for you, and it makes sure that everything is okay in the movie, the audio quality, video quality, and make sure that the movie is watchable. You can search for any particular movie in the database, and from here you can just choose movies on basis of the various categories. And to download any movie you can simply tap on the download button here, and it will start downloading that movie. You can view the progress in the notification menu here. So this app is very easy to use. To watch any movie, simply tap on the thumbnail pictures here, and it will start loading the film, and it will start buffering the video. So next app is Pirate Bay browser. So with this app installed on your phone, you can easily view and download popular torrents on your phone. You will have all the information you require, the series, peers, size of the torrent. And another great feature this app provides is that you can search this application on basis of various categories. And there are various categories you can choose from, right from audio, music, TV shows, Android games, iOS games. You can just choose between the various categories and search torrent related onto that particular category. So here I can just download various iOS games from the Pirate Bay browser. Similarly, you can just search for anything you want, and you can use the magnet link here to download the torrent directly via various torrent clients like uTorrent or BitTorrent. Next app on the list is Gtask. It's a simple and efficient task manager that supports both local and Google account. So you can just add a task from here, or write a note about it related to the task. And from you can just set the day, and here you can set the reminder time, and below here you can just choose if you want to repeat it on a weekly basis or daily basis or yearly basis. And below here we have got the priority option, and that task will be saved here. So managing any task is very easy. You can just tick mark it to set it as completed. And as it works with both local and Google accounts, and this application provides various widgets in various size, and the widgets look very clean. You can configure the widget from here. So that's all about top 10 best must-have application for Android phones. So that wraps up the video. So do like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. And if you have any queries, just comment below or hit me on Facebook and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.